The noun number. There are two kinds of number: singular number, plural number. The noun that denotes one person, animal, or thing is said to be in the singular number. The noun that denotes more than one person, animal, or thing is said to be in the plural number. The plural of nouns is formed by the following ways: by adding s to the singular, by adding es to the singular, by adding ies to the singular and replacing y, by adding ves to the singular and replacing f or fe, by changing the vowels, by adding en to the singular. Formation of plural nouns by changing the sound of vowels. Look at the following examples: man, men; woman, women; tooth, teeth; mouse, mice; foot, feet; listen carefully. The singulars and the plural: friend, friends; cat, cats; ship, ships; horse, horses; box, boxes. Read aloud and write the singulars and the plural: fish, fish; bus, buses; boy, boys; lion, lions;